All right, this is for my 1997 540i, no crank, no start issue. This is an update. My previous video showed that I had a problem, and basically I didn't figure it out at that point. But this video is going to show you what the issue was. So, well, somebody mentioned to me some months back that it could be the chip issue in the key, which it wasn't. All right, and as I stated in the previous video, that I replaced the ignition switch. I bought a new ignition switch, and that was not the issue. So what I did was, since the ignition switch was not a problem, I just sent it back to AutoZone and used the old one. Now this is to show you where the module's at. So what I figured out was that the EWS module, which is for the security for the car. All right, come on, boy. You gotta move out the way, my man. You gotta move out the way, brother. I'm gonna get through you. Get back. All right. Okay, let me see if I can find it real quick. All right. Now it's not a good angle. I'm trying my best here. Where's it at? All right, the module. It's right here. Try my best to get it. It's this white box of green lettering right here. This box. All right, now when the ignition switch turn, or when the ignition switch is in the on position, it sends a signal to this module right here. All right, and this module sends a signal to the chip in the computer, on the onboard computer, and then that computer sends it to the starter. If I got that right. All right. Now, this right here is my problem. So right now I got the key in ignition. So when I turn the key, nothing, right? Nothing. I hold it, nothing. All right. Now, when I do this is the weird. So, I'm just gonna get a better angle at this real quick. This module. All right. When I do this, all right, watch me. I pull this forward with my finger. Pull this forward, and I turn the switch, and it starts. Hold on, give me a sec. Try to do this with one hand. The car starts right up. All right, the car is on. It's running. No problem. All right, turn the car off. Starts right up. Now, I'm thinking there's a short in that module, and that's the reason why it's not causing the car to start on, or the cut on. Oh, sorry about the music. All right. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to get a new EWS module, or I don't know, probably rig it up to a point where I can have the car running. Well, come on, stop it. Have the car running, to the point where, if I stop, cut the car off, I'll be able to start the car up again. Hey, my man, what's up with you? Stop it. Yeah, so that's the problem. So, hopefully, I can find a cheap solution for this. I've been told that I would have to take it to a dealership and get a whole new module, and I think the module would probably be somewhere around like 500, something like that, from what I heard. I don't know how true that is, but God, I really ain't trying to spend $500 on a project car. This is my project, so this is not a car I drive every day. Hey, why are you crying for? Well, all right, let me go ahead and cut this video off. My dog is kind of crying right now, but yeah, that's it.